Hello students, in this video we'll learn how we can create Angular project. Before starting the creation of an Angular project, let's see what is Angular. As we have seen that Angular is a JavaScript framework. Using Angular, you can build a dynamic web application. Okay, and focusly or basically why we use Angular, if you want to develop a single page application, that time we use this Angular. So how can we install the Angular in your system? Before installation process starts, you need to check if your machine is already installed with Node.js. So before starting the installation of Angular, your machine must have installed with. So how can we install the Node in your machine? So just you go to the official website and download it and install it. After installation of a Node, check your version of Node. With the help of Node and with the help of npm, we can able to install our Node.js. Okay. So after installation of Node.js, go to the command prompt and then type this command npm install angular @angular/cli-g. Then check the version of your Angular. My machine is already installed. Just I am going to check the version of my Angular. For checking the version of Angular, I just use this command ng version. It will show you the version of your Angular which is installed in your machine. So my machine contains this version of Angular. Now I'm going to start to create an Angular project. As we know that to create an Angular project, you can just type ng new and your project name. For example, right now I'm going to create my project as name Tata. Okay, it will take few seconds for creation your project. It will ask you about the routing, then press yes, hit enter. Then it will ask about the CSS. So click on the CSS. Again, see, right now it creating lot many files to a project. So here again, we need to wait for creation of a project. See, now it indicates us that our project is ready. Now, cd data. Okay. Using this code dot command, my project will automatically open within a VS editor, right? So see, it will again take few seconds to open the VS. So see, now a project open within this VS. So see carefully using only three words, which ng new data. Using this command, our Angular created these files. Okay, see, let me explain this structure, file structure, as we discussed within our lecture that that this is the main file. Okay, app.component.html, right? And which file is going to serve within the browser, that is this index.html. Fine. So our project is ready. Now, if you want to run this project, go to the terminal and the command that we need to type, that is ng serve, right? If you are using the updated version like 17, that time you need to type command ng start. But let's check using ng serve, ng serve. Okay, let me start the command prompt. And here I'm typing ng serve. Okay. After entering, it will display us the message that our Angular project is running over the port number 4200. Okay. Again, here we need to wait for few seconds. Till then, let me explain you this index.html file. If you observe that this file contains only 13 lines, right? Browser serves this file to us. Okay. But as I told you that this file, this app.component.html file, it will going to redirect this file. Okay, just a minute. See, after clicking this localhost 4200, it will open the by default browser and our Angular project. Okay, so again, see, my default browser is Google Edge. So it will now show me the Angular page, Angular project. Or you can just copy this, and if you open a browser, okay, if you turn on the browser, for example, see, our project is successfully built and it is displaying this in the browser. But see, I'm using Angular 15. That's why this is the page that I'm going to view on the browser. But if you are using the latest version, I think 17, this screen will get little bit different. Okay. So now we are creating component within this project. Okay. अभी हम component create करेंगे. So for that, you just need to create another terminal. Go to the another terminal and then type just ng. Let me switch to the command prompt. Ng gc and your component name. See, here I am successfully created one component with the help of this command nggc list. So ng stands for Angular, G stands for generate, C stands for component, and this is my component name. So here I created one component. That name, the component name is the list. If you open this list, okay, list components, you can able to view again 3 files: CSS, HTML, CC specs, and TS file. So if you open this TS file, this component selector is app list component, right? App dash list. Now, first of all, let me clear this file first. Okay, so I'm going to remove all these lines from this file. Okay, first let's check. Just a minute. Delete again. I'm going to delete each and everything from this app.component.html. Okay, see. Just I'm going to keep this router outlet. Fine. Save it. Our file automatically refreshed. See, if you again visit your page. Let me check. I think I'm not saved. No, save it. Now see. Nothing is going to display. Why? Because I deleted each and everything from this app.component.html. Fine. Now I'm going to add this component. Okay. For example, if I just type, title over here, okay, title, and just save it. And if you see, this is my title. Okay, so this is the one way data binding. Means for data binding, by using this curly braces, we are going to bind the data. So title is my variable, and from where this data is coming. So see, if you go to the TS file, so see, this is my title, and here by default it displays me titles as a Tata. If I change it as a Bata, okay, save it. Automatically, the data which is associated with that particular variable, it is going to change. Fine. Now we are connecting that component to our file. Okay. So we'll see that component. How can we register our component within this HTML file? So I'm going to revise each and everything क्या हमने अब तक देखा. So first of all, we see how can we check the version of a Angular. For that, ng version command is used. After that, I'm created one Angular project using this command. Fine. Now then, to run this project, ng serve command I used, and then I'm successfully run this project on the browsers, right? In the next and upcoming video, we will see how can we register the created component within the Angular component.ts फाइल. हम ts फाइल में जो रजिस्टर हमने क्रिएट किया है ये कंपोनेंट, वो कंपोनेंट हम हमारे ये फाइल जो है वो फाइल में रजिस्टर कैसे करेंगे app.component.ts and html में, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम विल सी. फाइन.